Good day guys, welcome to my new video. Please sit tight and let us enjoy this repair together. This particular phone is called BA2 and customers demanded for replacement of the battery and this calibrator you see me eating. This screen in particular is a semi separated screen that doesn't require much stress when you want to remove this calibrator. So I've applied my heater at the minimal degree of the heat. So after the heating, you see me applying my scraper in order to remove it diligently when it was hot, so that it won't cause any damage to the main screen. And this particular scraper is very necessary for every technician that is working any Android or iOS or whichever fragile phone, whatever the case may be. So you need a scraper. So after removing it like that, the next step is to detach the 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 flex of that calibrator from the main screen flex, and that is what you see me doing with my soldering iron and my paste. So this is the new screen. I'm trying to apply lead to the mouth of the flex of the new Kali rather. So I placed my new Kali. I set it where, and this is the moment I'm soldering it back. So soldering it back doesn't require stress once you apply your paste, and with the help of the lead, everything will come well. So by putting it, one thing about this Kali is that it doesn't need testing. If you put it, it doesn't work, remove it and put it again, it will work. Anyone that doesn't work, that means you are unlucky. So this one now, I've applied it. I'm trying to on the phone now and see how it will go. If it has worked or not, then we'll know our fate. So now the phone is turning on. Then we go ahead by testing the phone. If we test it and everything calibrates well, that means we are good. We are good with the work, and then we will now remove it again in order to properly gum it. So this Kali